In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix lag on Roblox when you're playing it on your mobile. So the first thing I suggest doing is closing any apps that are running in the background, especially games. This can make a big difference in performance. So the next thing I suggest is freeing up some space on your device. So what you want to do is go into your settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. And you see here, I've still got plenty of space left. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can see how much space certain apps taken up. So if you don't play a game much and you see it pretty high up this list, I suggest clicking on it. You can either offload the app or just delete it entirely. So the next thing you can try is stay in the setting app and go to General, go to Software Update. And now what we're doing is making sure our device is up to date. So as you can see, mine needs an update, so it's always worth double checking. So now that we know our device is up to date, we can check that our app is also up to date. So go into the App Store and click on your profile in the top right corner. Now go to App Updates. And now here we have a list of apps that need an update. And as you can see, Roblox isn't here. But what you can always do is actually go into the search bar and then type in Roblox. Click this one here. And now if you scroll down a little bit, just below what's new, you'll see it says the version number, and you can reference this against their website to make sure yours is up to date. So the next thing I suggest is on the Roblox app itself. So find a game that you want to play, scroll down to the bottom and click on servers. Now where it says next to number of players, you want to change this from descending to ascending. This helps with lag because the less amount of players you're playing with means the less amount of lag. So the last thing you can try is loading into a game. Now some games don't actually allow you to access this menu. What you need to do is go over to settings and then scroll down a little bit until we get to display and graphics. So now what you want to do is just turn on performance stats. So this allows you to see what your phone's actually running at the moment. So as you can see, if it's all in the green, it's all good. So go back in settings and scroll down a bit more until you get to graphics mode. So you want to turn this to manual, and now here you can adjust your graphics quality. So you can turn it right up, or you can turn it right down. So to improve lag, your best bet is turning it right down. Now under reduce motion, I suggest turning this off. If you're still having issues, I suggest resetting your device, but if you do follow these steps, your Roblox should be running perfectly. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.